Welcome to AI in 8 minutes or less, your daily AI update. Today, we're diving into Google's absolutely massive new AI updates. So, Google just dropped a series of updates that are pretty much guaranteed to change how you interact with AI forever. And no, this isn't some minor tweak. We are talking about a fundamental shift in what AI can do for you, and it's happening right on your own devices. You see, this wasn't just one announcement. In a really slick move, Google rolled out 5 massive interconnected updates all at once. And I think most people have kind of missed just how big this is, but stick with me and you'll see exactly what these tools are and how they all click together into a much, much bigger picture. Okay, let's get right into it. We're going to start with probably the biggest change in thinking here, bringing seriously powerful AI directly onto your personal devices. And it's all thanks to a new model called Gemma 4. Now, to really get why this is a huge deal, think about how AI has always worked, right? It all lives up in the cloud. You need an internet connection, your device sends a request to some giant server farm, and your data goes with it. Well, Gemma 4 just flips that whole script. It runs locally, right there on your laptop or your phone. This means it works completely offline, and maybe most importantly, your personal data stays private. And here's the really wild part. Google has somehow managed to cram an insane amount of horsepower into this local model. Gemma 4 is so incredibly efficient that it can go toe-to-toe with cloud models that are literally 20 times its size. That is like having a Formula One engine stuffed into a Mini Cooper. So what does this actually mean for you day to day? Well, it means you can use seriously advanced AI absolutely anywhere. No Wi-Fi? No problem. It can chew through complex reasoning problems, even handle coding tasks, without ever needing to phone home to a server. This is a huge leap towards AI that's truly personal and always available. Okay, so building on that local power, this next update is an absolute monster for anyone who makes any kind of content. We are talking about creating cinematic quality AI video with 2 new tools, VO 3.1 and Google Vids. And just to be clear, this is not that blurry, weird-looking AI video from a year ago. VO 3.1 is kicking out gorgeous 4K and vertical videos straight from a simple text prompt. It doesn't just make pretty pictures, it adds in cinematic audio. And one of its killer features is something called character consistency, all built right into Gemini. Character consistency has been the holy grail for AI video. You know how before, if you tried to generate 2 clips of the same person, they'd look totally different. It made telling any kind of story impossible. Well, VO 3.1 cracks that code. You can create a character and they'll look the same from scene to scene, which means you can finally build actual stories. And this right here shows how Google is thinking way bigger. They're not just giving you a tool, they're giving you a whole new workflow. With the upgrade to Google Vids, you can go from just a text idea to an AI-generated storyboard to a complete video with an AI avatar, and then push it straight to YouTube. The barrier to creating professional-looking video just basically evaporated. Now, Google didn't forget about all the builders and developers out there. The new AI Studio is completely overhauling how you create and, more importantly, how you fine-tune AI-powered apps. I mean, this has been the central headache for anyone building with AI. You get your AI to generate an app, but there's one little thing that's wrong. How do you fix just that one piece without having to scrap the entire project and start all over again? The old way was just a nightmare, so slow and unbelievably frustrating. But the new AI Studio has this feature called Focus Mode, and it's exactly what it sounds like. It lets you zoom in and edit the exact part you want to change, while leaving everything else perfectly intact. It's like having a precision scalpel for your app. It's fast, it's accurate, and it's a huge time saver. So now that we've seen all the individual pieces, let's just zoom out for a second. Because when you put all these updates on the table together, you start to see that these aren't just 5 random features. Oh no, this is all part of a very deliberate, very grand plan. And here's how it all locks together. You've got Gemma 4 putting the AI powerhouse on your laptop. You've got VO 3.1 to create your content. You've got AI Studio to build the apps that use that content. And you have Google Vids to streamline the whole creative process. Every single piece has a job to do. So, the big takeaway here is this. Google is planting a massive flag. They are making a very clear play to be the all-in-one, end-to-end AI platform for pretty much everything you do. And if history has taught us anything, it's that the people who get in early and master these tools now are the ones who are going to have a serious advantage. Which, of course, brings us to the final question. With all this landing at once, powerful AI on your machine, cinematic video from a prompt, and way smarter tools to build with, the real question is, which one of these are you most excited to get your hands on and try first? If you enjoyed this, subscribe to AI in 8 minutes and never miss what matters.